What's up, everybody? It's the Excel dude coming at you again. Today we're going to talk about how to multiply and divide in Excel. Dividing is very straightforward, so that's why we're going to cover it first here. It's pretty simple. There's not really a function, there's not really a formula. It's honestly just, if let's say I want to divide 100 by 10, I just go equals, and you can either type in B1, or you can do what I do, click it, and then hit the slash, which on your 10 key is right between the numlock and the star, or it's the one with the question mark next to your shift key on your right hand. Then you just click what you want to divide it by, enter, there you go. So if you had, let's say, and you can also just do one-offs as well. If you hit equals, say 5,280 divided by 7.5, there you go, 704, you click it, you have that. So there you go, you can divide. That's pretty much as complicated as it gets. If you want to see things that are percentage, you can, change them in. You hit this button here, percentage, dollars, things like that. You can change your formatting. That's another whole bag of mess. But anyway, right now we're going to get into multiplying. So we want to take this, 100 times 10, we should get 1,000. Straightforward. Equals, click it again, hit the star key. Click that, hit enter. Don't hit the extra 3 though. That was a little mistake on my part there. And if you have to do other things, maybe you need to add 10, you can go equals that times that. And as long as you add your parentheses here, you'll get normal order of operations. So we should have 1,010. There you go. This one, product. It's another, basically it can handle multiple multiplications. So you can either do it this way, equals, let's say we did this, 5 times 4 times 5, we have 100. Yeah. However, we're sensitive to all of these. Maybe we want to add something in the middle, right here, and we wanted to add it, multiply by 2. It wouldn't update, so, because you pick the specific ones. That's why you use this function, equals, product, and just select the range you want, close the parentheses, and there you go. You change this, 4, you see that one updates because it has the range. This one because we didn't specifically pick it. So if you know things might change, product is the one for you. Now this one, sumproduct, is pretty cool. Maybe we need to take this times this, and then we need to add all those totals. So we have to multiply this, multiply this, multiply this. We could do this, product, 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 and so on. And then we'll add those up. Okay, sure, why not? Or you can use this one, sumproduct, which is much easier. All we do is equals sumproduct, array 1. So what's the first set of numbers we're going to multiply? We're going to do 80 by 7, 70 by 8, and so on. So you take the first one, comma, take the second one, close it up. And all this is going to do is multiply each of these items out, so you'll get these totals here, and then it's going to add them together. So we should get 1880. We used one function. It did the work of what would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 functions. We just saved our time right there. And that's about it. Did what, 14 change, right? Equals, what's that? Here. Yeah. Just 1 divided by 7. Yeah, so there we go. We did 14.286% of the work. Not bad. But that's pretty much it. Now you can multiply and divide in a couple different ways. This has been helpful. I'd appreciate you hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.